Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right here we have an unboxing of the Mary Kay consultant package. This is the starter kit, everything that you would get to become a consultant. I am no way affiliated, nor am I recommending to join them. In fact, this article that I'll be writing with this video will tell you all the ins and outs about the Mary Kay and the Mary Kay company. So for demonstrative purposes, I did purchase the pack for the consultant startup. So this does come with everything that you need to start up. You do get full-size travel kit. You get a full-size products. So let's go and open up the box so I can show you everything that does come in this starter kit. I am not affiliated with these people. I just done it for an article to give you the ins and outs about this company. So first off, you can see they do have some magazines here that offers all their products, the pricing of the products, what new items they have. So it says boost your routine. I've actually used the product in the past. They have really good products. So you could shop your way. So when you first start, they sign up with you an account to get your own website. You have a welcome greeting card, says hello, gorgeous. And of course on the bottom it says Mary Kay. You get a little flags at the top, says your time is now, basically introducing you into the business, getting you all the ins and outs. So this is just like a little welcome card. And then right here you get your consultant bag. So it's a really nice bag. It's really big to hold your products, to hold your advertisements, your business cards, as well as your party cards and your party mirrors and all your travel kits, as well as your sample product. You have little pockets right here at the front. If you unzip the actual purse itself, you have a lot of compartments to put all your stuff. You have a little netting stuff. You have some more pockets on the side. It's really nice floral design. You can tell that they did go out about that purse. It's a really nice package. Now this box right here has everything you need to start up your business. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes. I did purchase the startup guide. I actually did quit after a day after I went through the ins and outs of the business, but I want to get into what they do offer you if this is something you'd like to do. So this basically says today is your day. So they give you a lot of sample packages. You get some little flashcards to give to your customers. So here's some cards right here. These cards are a pack of 12 assorted party tray inserts. So you'll put these with your mirrors. These are your in-tray inserts. So here's just a little bit of the products that they offer. There's a little magazine, what they have to offer. They have makeup, they have skincare, they have lotions. And here's another startup guide. Some touching dialogues from other consultants. Yada yada yada. And then you have another card that says MK Connects, how to connect your internet. You do get a binder that is pink. It says Mary Kay on. You got a 3-ring binder. And this thing here just opens up, folds out. You can hold it. Basically, if you're hosting a party, any of your party information could be set in this. So you have some quick start guides. This is just a little book right here that tells you about Mary Kay Ash, who is the co-founder of Mary Kay Incorporated Cosmetics. This is just about her life. You have some more little cards here. These basically are for when you start your parties. And then you have a little cardboard here that says I choose Mary Kay, hashtag my life. My MK Life. This just tells you how to connect your In Touch. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can start learning how to set up your website. And then you have some trays right here for your little parties. These are your testing kits. So if they want to test a product, you'll put it on there. This is a full-size. Let me get closer to here. This is a full-size loose powder, translucent powder makeup. This little bag here has all your samples. It has your samples for your cheeks, eyes, and lips. They have different colors right here. Shows you how to put it on in what sequence. So there's a bunch in there. You get other ones that have different colors. So if you're not fond of the green colors, you have other colors. So here are some of the other colors that they have. So now you get your mascara wands. You get your eyeshadow wands. And this little card right here basically just matches your skin type to the foundation, so you know what foundation is the closest to your skin color. So you get just this little clear card here with little color shades. You just stick that up to the next to your neck or your face, just something like that. That'll tell you which color is best for you, the closest to your color. It comes in very light ivory to very, very dark. And you just set it up to your skin like that. And it has a little information in there on how to correctly get your skin tone color. So we're just going to put that aside. And you do get full-size products. So these ones you can use to sell them, or you can use them as for your display products. So in this little box, it comes with little cards. These actually have Sharpie markers that say Mary Kay on it. And these are little cards right here. And it just tells you for the satin hands, little cards, white tea and citrus satin hands, pampering set. It tells you all the information right here. And then you have your little Sharpies right here that says Mary Kay on them. So here are some disposable face wipes. These are the really nice soft cloth wipes. These ones I do enjoy when taking off makeup. They're very soft on your skin. So here is the Ultimate Mascara. You get several of these. These are the CC Cream. And this one's a CC Cream. Here are some more CC creams. Here's another CC cream. So you do get a lot of the CC creams for your face. And this is just the oil-free eye makeup remover. So now this is your 4-in-1 cleanser. They do have for oil, combination to oily and combination to dry, so you do get a full set of that. And these are your little party tray mirrors, so when you're hosting a party, when they put on the product, they can actually see themselves in the mirror. It comes with a nice little zip bag, little trays inside of it. You do get disposable trays to put in here. That was in the beginning of the video. The face case mirrors. So in this set you get 4 of them. So there's 2 here and then there's 2 more on the other side. And this right here is the satin hands. So you get the whole satin hand set. These are really nice, especially if you have dry hands. So you get a little gift bag right there if you want to gift it to somebody or you want to sell it. Now you have some cards right here, which is basically your client's beauty profile on what they want to work on, their name, what shades they like, what shades that goes with their skin, the eyes. So now you have another pad. This is your invoices, so you can write invoices out to your customers. And you have some more product right here. So this one here is the eye minimizer. You have the day cream. And this one is the day cream and a night cream. So you get 2 days, 2 nights. One's for combination to oily and combination to dry. So this is the night cream. And then, as I told you before, here is 2 more face mirror masks. So these are the mirrors where you'll put your trays, disposable trays, when you do some testing of the products. You get a couple magazines in here. This is a magazine basically telling you about the products that they offer, the price of the products, what comes in the packages. You have some more welcome letters here. About the flexibility, how to start, what package you got. I've got the starter kit for $130. How it fits your life. So we have another magazine right here that offers other stuff. So this is the makeup guide. Tells you what's included in what kit, what the price is. Now this one here says your guide to the second appointment, how to get started, creating a flawless canvas. So I'm no way affiliated. I've just purchased this because I learned about the ins and out about this product. If you are interested in becoming a consultant, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description before you decide to do it. Yes, the products are very great, but I would recommend checking out the article and learn everything you need to know about the company before you even started. And if this is something that you'd really like, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and go ahead and check out my article that is in the description below.